What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be changing the oil in my wife's car. It's a 2011 Scion XB, and I'm going to also show you how to reset your maintenance required light. Okay, I've already reset this light, but I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do. First thing you're going to need to do is take the key, insert it in here, turn it to the second position, take your odometer and trip, make sure it's on trip A. You're going to turn your key to the off position, and you're going to hold this down while you turn the key back to the second position. You're going to see 4 dashes turn into 6 zeros. Now I've already reset this, but I'm going to show you if I can get this to set just right. Let's see. It's kind of difficult. I don't have anything to hold this with, but let's see if you can. There's the dash. You're going to count down. You're going to have 6 zeros pop up. So now that light is reset. So you're at 100%. That's all it is, guys. All right, let's go out here. What you're going to need to change the oil on this thing is, I got my spill pan already down there in a bucket with it draining. Takes a 14mm socket. And I've already got this off, so to help it drain faster. The only thing they made about these cars is you have to have a little nozzle oil funnel, because they got, you know, you don't have much room. So basically when you're pouring this oil in here, you got to go real slow. Just, you know, try not to make a mess, but that's all there is to it, guys. It takes 5 quarts. And I've already got the filter over here. This one takes a 4386. I'm gonna just use a Fram. There's real low mileage on this car. So there you go. That's all it is, folks. Thanks for watching.